Hey, Katie and Gloria here from Simply Earth, and today we're going to teach you how to make an all-natural, purifying and exfoliating face mask. We'll send you everything you need to make this in our essential oil recipe box so you can make your home more natural. For this recipe, you'll need 3 tablespoons of sugar, fractionated coconut oil, Pine Scotch Essential Oil, and activated charcoal in a little jar to mix it all in. We're going to be using the sugar as a natural exfoliator, and the activated charcoal is going to bind to all the things in our skin that we want to clean away. The fractionated coconut oil is going to be our carrier oil, which makes it safe to use essential oils on our skin. It's also very nourishing. And pine essential oil offers an interesting piney scent, and it is great for cleaning your skin. And we're going to be using Pine Scotch Essential Oil because it's great for cleaning your skin. To make this recipe, you need to add all your ingredients together. I'm going to do this right in a jar because activated charcoal tends to make quite a mess if it gets on things. So I'm going to add my 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil, and 3 drops of pine scotch. Now I'm just going to seal the lid and mix it all up. You want to try? And when you're finished, it'll look something like this. To use it, you can apply it gently to your face. You can leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes as a mask, or you can rinse it off right away to exfoliate. Yeah. It's gonna be really awkward with Gloria right there.
Hey, Gloria. Hey.
Tell me when to stop or what. When your face is covered, you can leave it on as a mask or you can rinse it off. My face is shiny, silky, and smooth. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to our essential oil recipe box today so that you can make your home more natural with this recipe.